It's your girl Lena on Raya back with another freaking affordable wig Wednesday, you guys. Y'all see the title. You see, I'm not happy about this wig, okay? I am not freaking happy, but we're gonna get into it, okay? Before we get into the video, if you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Turn the subscribe button red to gray. That means you have joined the family. Lena Bays, welcome them to the family, okay? Like this video up and click that bell when I'm posting new. Like that bell, it'll notify you when I'm posting new freaking videos. So you guys, I don't like this. But I'm gonna show you guys how I got this look. So let's get into how I got this look. You guys, so let me tell y'all my pros and cons about this wig. I ain't no big fan of this wig. This ain't a wig I'm a big fan of. I don't know what else to do to it. I ain't no hair person. I didn't glue it on because I do have my got to be glue right here. I didn't glue it on because I'm not feeling it the way I need to feel it. I don't know. You know, they going in. I don't know. It's just I don't know. Even my sister shaking her head. No, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. But I will let you know how much it costs. I will let you know the colors. As I already told you, everything will be right there on the top of the screen, you guys. Let me tell y'all my pros and cons of this wig. The pros is I love the color. Love the color. That's like I like this brown on me. I don't know about the hair, but I love the color of the hair. And I love how realistic the park is. The park is very realistic, so I like that. I had to put like minimum of concealer on there, but that was it. And I kept looking at the card. Like I was looking at it. It looked good on her. This look good on her. This don't look, this don't look like that. I don't know. They gave me a dysfunction wig. They gave me a dysfunctional wig because this don't look like this. It this don't look like that. Okay, so that's why I kept looking at this card trying to figure out what I'm doing wrong with the wig. I think it's the function. They gave me a dysfunctional one. Yeah, it have a lot of flyaways. That's a, so I basically told y'all my pros. 2 pros, that's it. Let me tell y'all the cons. The wig ugly as hell. That's number 1. Like, I don't know, it looked like I'm in the 70s. Like, I really like somebody to unpearl. Like, this is a church wig. This is her church curly wig. And she's shouting and run around the church. That's this wig. Like, I feel like I'm in this like a 70s wig. If I want to go to like a 70s party. They remind me of a costume wig. Like the curl. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know. I might can fix it. I don't know. I can't fix it. Okay, my sister said I can't fix it. I don't know. Y'all comment down below, let me know if you think I can fix it or what should I do. Y'all let me know what should I do with this. And y'all, another con. This hair have a lot of flyaways. I don't know. It just, I'm mad as H. I'm mad about this. I thought it looked so good on the mannequin. Like, Nessie, why you look so good on here? Y'all, she look good on here, but look at it on me. Like, I thought I'm finna take off. Man. And y'all, also, what I don't like about it, the lace, I did tell y'all, due to it being a T part, the lace is so tiny, so I don't know. That's the only reason I ain't glue it on, because look, it's so far back. The lace can't even get on my face. Like, I feel like this. I don't know. I don't like the hump. Look at this hump, all this extra hair in here. I don't like the extra hair. That's another kind. All this extra hair. It got too much going on for me. Like, I love how it feels. Like, it's like a real natural texture. But it's just the wig. I don't know. Y'all comment down below, let me know. Because I don't know. I don't like it. But you guys, I did get the hair from Ebony Line. This wig was sponsored with my own money. They did not send me this. I bought it myself. My own coins paid for this. And I wish I can get a refund. I'm going to ask, can I get a refund or something? Credit, because it suck ass. I hope they see this video. It sucks ass. Y'all wrong for this. Take Nessie out. Take Nessie 202 out the damn market. Take it off the market. Take this wig off the market. Cause I'm upset by this wig. Because I need a wig for next week until I get my hair done. And this is what we're looking like. Y'all, I don't know what else to say about this wig. I don't have nothing else good to say about it. I don't know. I don't know. So you guys, this is basically the end of this Affordable Wig Wednesday. It's an epic fail. Don't buy this. Don't buy this wig. I don't even give this wig to my worst enemy. I don't even have her around walking around with this wig on. That's wrong for me to ever have her walking around like this. I don't even do it to the person I hate. No. I don't even don't buy it. If you do buy it, you might like this type of 70s style. You might know how to work this. I just don't know how to work it. It ain't for me. This ain't for me. This ain't it. And this is my honest truth, y'all. They ain't paying me to say this. Like, this is my truth. I'm telling y'all, it suck ass. I'm telling y'all. No offense. Ebony Line. You know, it ain't y'all fault. Y'all just, sell the hair. Ain't y'all fault. Oh, but Nessie wrong. Nessie need to invest in a different type of brand or something. She needs some new manufacturers. Y'all, I'm done. You guys, if you watch this video to the end and you have not subscribed to the family, subscribe to the family. Join the Lena Babes. We lit over here. Turn subscriber from red to gray. That means you have joined the family. Yeah. Share this video, you guys. Like the video up, you guys, and click that bell. No, I'm posting nigga free. I'm posting new freaking videos, y'all. I cannot freaking talk. I'm so mad about this wig. I can't talk. I can't. Ooh, can't talk. But you guys, it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Peace.